Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about to the another use case in the flows. So, display the list of the opportunities which are not closed, either closed one or closed last records. We are not going to display, and we have to selecting to the start date, end date between to the which records is the closed date. We are comparing to the closed date. This will we are selecting the start date and end date. In between of the those records, we have to display it by the in the list. Okay, so how we are going to implement this scenario, we can discuss to the in this video. Before going to that, here we have the acceptance criteria. If your records is found, so we have to display the list of the opportunities into the data table and allow to the users able to select by those opportunities. For example, if we are get by the 5 records, out of the 5 records, they can able to select by the 2 records. After selecting the which 2 records, we have to give it by the close last comments to the updated by those 2 records. Okay, and we have to the same, we can update by the stage name also by the close last. And eventually we have to display by the successful updated by these records. This is the success scenario and records is found. If your records is not found, we have to just to display by the no records found for the selected date range. We have to display by the selected date range. This message we have to display. So let's preview this scenario. So here we have the start date, end date. Between of these two dates, between the close date, we are comparing the close date to these two dates. So match those records, we have to populate it to the here. So for example, here I am giving to the here. So click on to the next. So here appear by the list of the records. We have the appear by the list of the records. If I am selecting to the any one of the record, United Oil. So click on to the next. So this is the only one record I am selected. Click on to the next. Here we have to able to display by the selected records. Click on to the next. Here we have to give it by the comments. So test comments. Once we click on to the update, successfully updated by the opportunities message, we have the displayed. Let's go to the opportunities. So here, so we have to search by the opportunity. So I think so. This is we have close last. This is now. So let's come to the here. So stage is the close last, and let's check it by the comments. This is test comments. Okay, what we are comments will be the updated. So this is the scenario one. This is the scenario one. If you found the records, we have to display by the message to the successfully updated by those records. If records is not found, come to the here finish method. So here let's select to the here. Click on next. See here. No record found for the selected date range. This is the message. Okay, like this, we have to the displayed by the if you not found the any records to the end user. So let's see how we are going to implement by this use case in the next videos. And after the completion of these videos, you have to learn these items. So how to add the date fields into the screen flow, how to get it by the records conditionally, and how to display the list of the records in the data table, and how to add by the columns, headers like stage name, close date. These are all we are adding, right? And how to hold by the selected records, and how to loop the records to the assigned to the and selected records also. How to add the records to the list, and how to update the records, and how to use by the decision element, and how to display the messages. Like if it is the successfully updated, we have to display success message. If records not found, we have to display by the information records not found. So let's see how we are going to implement this use case in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.